what's going on. It's 5:54. I'm running behind, and there's deer everywhere. It is very cold this morning. I think it's like 30-some degrees. We're gonna see if we can't get Eric his first turkey. We're gonna see what we can do. What's the date? I don't know. Something like that. Pop in the chair, 50 legs. Something's over there. How far? You own quite a bit, don't you?
Yeah, this is fine.
That's why it's so. They're right freaking there.
Hey, trumped her.
Is that your wife?
No. She had a little Corolla horn.
I think that's telling us that they're right on the other side of the road.
I know. It's like someone just honked them off the road. April 19th, 50 Lakes. First time ever turkey hunting. First time turkey hunting my property. Showed up a little late. Thought we were going left. Birds were gobbling to the right. Hauled our butts up here. Got set up. Turkeys are coming. They're everywhere. Wish us luck. Everything just came together. Like insanely. No snow. Started dumping. I can't even believe it. Yep. Brody said get ready. When they're sound like this, they're coming. So I listened to Brody. It sounded like this, and they were coming. There's like 5, 6. Came crazy. Leader right off the bat. Beard. Everything lined up. Turned away. Got a little spooked. Brody said take him right up the back, so we did that. And there's a dead turkey. First one for me, first one in 50 Lakes, first time turkey hunting my property, first time hunting with Brody.
Boom.
What else?
It got really quiet, or it was actually windy and didn't look like anything was going to happen, and that's when it does happen, right?
Yeah, we were kind of like for a second there both thinking like, hey, what time is it?
What time should we?
You know?
It's only 7:40.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah.
It's 5 minutes later, the whole world changed.
Dude. Oh, cool. Dude, we got lucky. That was kind of a bad shot, but we killed it. No way. What an epic morning. What is going on? Just dumping snow right now?
He got quarter spurs.
He's alright.
She's a 2-year-old bird.
He's got a freaking.
So first ever time turkey hunting. First ever turkey with my boy Brody.
Yeah.
First ever time on my property turkey hunting. Time is it, bro?
Time for breakfast.
7:54, dog.
Freaking sweet, dude. Freaking got her.
Unbelievable. Right up his back.
Good job, coach.
Just gotta invite the boy and then
Dude, he wasn't going anywhere. You see all the blood everywhere?
I know. I cut his wing off. I mean, yeah.
You muzzied him.
Suit, yeah, I did. Fixed blade, baby.
See his beard. Oh, that's a rope. At first I thought it was a double beard. Yeah, you freaking.
Yeah, he's torn up. It's all about the base.
Yeah, buddy. What an awesome. Look at freaking snowing, coming down. I can't believe this. Northern Minnesota.
Yeah. What a day.
There goes first bird.
First bird.
Oh my gosh. He's really close. I don't know where the hell he is at, but he's close.